The video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Paducah, Kentucky. 1. Admire art at the world-famous National Quilt Museum. Paducah is known as Quilt City, and the National Quilt Museum is the heart of its creative soul. This stunning museum has been recognized as one of the top quilt displays in the world. It holds a collection of nearly 700 of the most amazing contemporary quilts, with works by over 500 artists from 48 states and 14 countries. You will see traditional patterns and striking modern masterpieces, including a life-sized polar bear and a magical Harry Potter quilt. The museum is open year-round and draws over 40,000 visitors annually. Art lovers and casual visitors alike will be amazed. This is not your grandmother's quilting bee. It is high art. 2. Walk through history at the Paducah wall-to-wall murals. Next, take a stroll along the Ohio River and experience the Paducah wall-to-wall murals. These incredible floodwall murals were painted by artist Robert Dafford and his team. You will see over 50 huge, life-sized paintings that tell the story of Paducah's history. Scenes include Native American heritage, the Lewis and Clark expedition, and the steamboat era. Each mural is accompanied by a bronze plaque that explains the history, so bring your walking shoes. This free open-air gallery is available 24/7 and is one of the most popular attractions on the riverfront. It is a beautiful and informative walk. 3. Explore the vibrant creativity of Lowertown. Third, get lost in the Lowertown Arts District, a magical neighborhood filled with colorful Victorian homes. This is where Paducah's famous artist relocation program brought painters, jewelers, and fiber artists from around the world to live and work. You can walk down the quiet, tree-lined streets and pop into galleries like the Aphrodite Gallery or Kawango Studio. Many artists open their studio doors to visitors, so you can watch them create. It is a great place to find a one-of-a-kind souvenir. The neighborhood is also home to the Paducah School of Art and Design. Lowertown is creative, quiet, and full of local charm. 4. Uncover the past at the William Clark Market House Museum. Fourth, step inside the William Clark Market House Museum, Paducah's oldest and only general history museum. It is housed in a beautiful 1905 building in the heart of downtown. The museum tells the story of Paducah from its Native American residents to its founding by explorer William Clark in 1827. You can see a colorful wedding vase given to Clark by the Marquis de Lafayette. You can also see an extensive Civil War display and a room honoring Vice President Alban Barkley, a Paducah native. History buffs will love the artifacts and stories here. It is a fascinating look at the region's past. 5. Watch a show at the historic Carson Center. Fifth, enjoy a night out at the Carson Center, the largest performance venue in the region. This is the home of the Paducah Symphony Orchestra. They host a wide range of performances, from touring Broadway shows to big-name concerts. The Market House has been a city landmark for decades, but the Market House was built in the 1900s. The atmosphere is classy and inviting. Check the schedule before your trip. You might catch a touring Broadway show, a famous musician, or a comedy show. It is the perfect spot for a date night. The theater is beautiful and the acoustics are great. A night at the Carson Center is a wonderful way to experience Paducah's cultural side. 6. Get outside on the scenic Paducah Riverfront and Greenway Trail. Start at the River Discovery Center to learn about the importance of the Ohio and Tennessee rivers. Then hop on the Greenway Trail, a paved path that stretches along the water and through the city's parks. It is perfect for walking, biking, or running. You will get beautiful views of the docks and the river traffic. If you are lucky, you might see a giant barge pushing cargo up the river, The path is flat and easy, making it great for families. Pack a picnic and stop at Schultz Park for pictures. It is a wonderful way to enjoy the fresh air and the scenic outdoors. 7. Discover history at the Hotel Metropolitan. Seventh, travel back to a pivotal era of music and history at the Hotel Metropolitan. This restored 1908 property was a key stop on the historic Chitlin Circuit in the mid-1900s. At a time when segregation was the law, this hotel offered safe and welcoming lodging for black performers. Legends like Duke Ellington, Louis Armstrong, and B.B. King stayed here. Today, you cannot spend the night, but you can tour the building as a museum. It is a powerful and important place. Tours are offered on Fridays and Saturdays. It tells a crucial story of American music, courage, and community. 8. Visit a historic welcome center housed in a southern mansion. 8th, stop by the Whitehaven Welcome Center, a truly unique pit stop. It is the only interstate welcome center in the country located inside a historic building. The building itself is the Anderson Smith House, a beautiful classical revival mansion built in the 1860s. The center is just off I-24, nicknamed the Gateway to the South. Inside, you can get maps and travel information while admiring period furnishings and artifacts. It is a beautiful piece of architecture and a great place to stretch your legs. You can learn about other attractions in the region. It is a warm and welcoming introduction to Kentucky. 9. Taste Western Kentucky's famous barbecue. 9th, you cannot leave Paducah without trying the famous local barbecue. Western Kentucky K is smoked low and slow and topped with sauces that range from savory to sweet. For a classic sit-down meal, head to Backwoods Barbecue for fall-off-the-bone ribs. If you want authentic soul food, try Big Ed's Buffet for award-winning ribs and fried chicken. For a quick sandwich, stop into the lunch-only joint called Starnes BBQ for smoked pork on toast. If you visit in September, you must go to Barbecue on the River. It is a massive 3-day festival where pit masters compete for prizes. The whole riverfront smells like hickory smoke. It is heaven for food lovers. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights, hotels, car rentals, eSIM, travel charger, check the description below. Next, 10. Relax in nature at Noble Park, or take a day trip to Shawnee Forest. Finally, spend a relaxing day in nature. Noble Park is a local favorite, with a lake for fishing, walking trails, and picnic areas. It is a great spot to take the kids or just unwind after a busy day. If you have more time, drive 30 minutes to the Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area. It has over 170,000 acres of forest, with miles of hiking and biking trails. You can even cross the border into Illinois to visit the Shawnee National Forest, a 280,000-acre wilderness just 50 miles away. It is beautiful for rock climbing, camping, and swimming. The stars are incredible at night. Paducah is a perfect jumping-off point for outdoor adventure.